Hello, this is the Faithful Planner Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to emboss. If you've never done it before, then hopefully this can help you decide if you'd like to do something like this. This is an embossing stamp pad by Top Boss, and if you don't have something like this, you could also, I believe, try a liquid glue. This one is a Tombow Mono liquid glue. It's multi sticky. And here is the IBN. So after you apply the glue onto your surface, make sure after using that, let it dry a little bit. Let it dry and it will still be sticky and tacky. Okay, and today I am going to use this one and just stick it down into this glue, because that's basically what it is. And then I am going to get my embossing powder, and this is what I have. This is called Detail White, so I'm hoping it will show up white. It's by Stamp and Stuff. I believe I bought this at Michael's. Sorry, but don't quote me on that. It's been years since I bought it, but I'm just going to try. Oh, it's a little thick. I'm going to put the powder on there. Brush off the excess here. I also have some gold, so let's see how this works. And just put in the rest back in the jar. You can use it again later. Doesn't hurt it at all. And I am going to heat set this. I have an embossing heat tool by Marvy. I also got this at Michael's years ago. There's all kinds of them out there, and if you don't have one, you can probably end up using a blow dryer. So let's just see how this goes. It might be a little bit loud, so I won't do the whole thing on camera. And just keep doing it, motioning it back and forth. I probably should have let it heat up a little bit before I went directly to the wood. Now you're seeing it, how it's turning white. That is it embossing. It's heating it and it's changing in color. I don't know if you're able to see that or not. Okay, I'm going to do the rest off camera. Okay, I'm back, and hopefully you can see that this is the one that's embossed. It's all white, and there's the natural wood color right next to it. Now I thought I had a gold, but what I have is a transparent, so that's not going to show up. So, I'm going to try to go ahead and re-stick it and put some of that gold on top of it, and we'll just see if that will work. But if not, I will have to go get some other gold embossing powder. Okay, I'll be right back. Yes, the gold did work over on top of the white, so I guess I won't have to purchase any other embossing powder. That's great. Okay, I'm now going to make this just plain white, and we'll see how that one does. And I'll be back with this one. I think I will do that one of the colors. We'll see. Okay, so once again, I'm back. I'm going to show you my results. This December I did in white. Hopefully you can see that. So I think it pops it off the page a little bit. So I'm going to add that to this card. And I also have my gold colored snowflake. It turned out pretty. It would have been a little bit better though, probably if I had the gold embossing. And here's one with just the white on the snowflake. So I will use these at a later time, but I thought I'd play around with that today and just show you something maybe that you didn't know. Okay? Thank you for watching and stay tuned as I do something next time.